Hello everyone, am I audible? Online students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have how many online students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's not waste our time, we will start, okay? Have you taken the books, group 2 books? Do all of you have the books with you? Institute books? Yes? Yes, yeah. How many subjects do you have in group 2? 4. Can anyone tell the names of the subjects? Okay. Anyone from online students? Anyone? Ruchita, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you know the name of the subjects?
The name of the subjects are corporate accounting and auditing.
Okay.
Then there is management accounting, then financial management and data analytics, and OM and SM.
Okay. Okay. Very good. This is your syllabus 2022. Yes. We have these 4 papers. What are they? Paper 9 is? What is paper number 9? OEM and SM. Yes, operations management and strategic management. Okay. Paper number 10, corporate accounting and auditing. Yes. Paper 11, financial management and data analytics, or you call it as business data analytics. Okay. Paper number 12, management accounting. Coming to paper number 9, operations management and strategic management. Okay, you have operations management for 60 marks. Yes, strategic management for 40 marks. O&M class will be started at 4 o'clock, I guess. Yeah. Huh. Okay, paper number 9. Paper number 10, corporate accounting and auditing. Corporate accounting is for 50 marks. Auditing is for 50 marks. Okay. Then we have financial management and business data analytics. Yes. Financial management is for 80 marks. Okay. 80 marks. Data analytics is for 20 marks. Okay. This is paper number 11. And the final paper, management accounting. You don't have any subdivision in this paper. It is for 100 marks. Okay. Now coming to exam pattern. Sir, what is the exam pattern? I have explained this already in group 1, I guess. Okay. You have two sections. Section A, which is compulsory. Okay. Section B, you have choice. How many questions choice? Yeah, 5 out of 7, in the sense you have 2 questions, choice questions. Okay. First question is, the section A is compulsory. It will be for 30 marks in total. How many marks? 30 marks. So 30 marks, from the last paper, December 2023 paper, I can see they have given 15 questions, each carrying 2 marks. Each carrying how many marks? 2 marks. Okay. So this section basically will be of 30 marks. It can be any 1 mark questions also. 31 mark questions. It can be. Okay. 15 2 marks questions. It can be. Okay. It can be any fill in the blanks also. It can be anything, true or false also. Okay. Section B. You have these 7 questions. You have to choose any 5. In December 2023, all the subjects are in this pattern only. Yes, you might have observed in group 1 also. Yes, same pattern, right? So the total is for 100 marks. You will be given 3 hours. Yes, 3 hours time to attempt the paper for 100 marks. Correct? So what is the total paper for? 5 questions is for 14 marks. Yes. So including choice, how many marks the paper is given for? How many marks? Including choice. How many marks? Sanjana, can you tell me? Sanjana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Choice, you have 2 questions choice, yes? 14 marks each. Can you tell me the total question paper, how many marks it is given for? How much? Kashyap, how much? Two questions extra which you leave for choice, yes or no? 2 into 14, how much? 28. 100 plus 28, 128, yes? Paper is given for 128 marks, yes? Yes or no? You leave 2 questions for choice. Okay? Check this one. Minimum 70% attendance is required. Okay. Sir, why is this required? Institute is continuously following up with the chapter officers, basically. Okay. They have to upload the attendance of the students in order that the students will be eligible for the attempt. Okay. So you have to maintain minimum this attendance. I recommend you to maintain minimum 80%. Minimum 80%. Okay, sir, what happens if you don't maintain? Okay. The chapter office has to upload the attendance of the students in the website. Okay. Then based on that only you will get the eligibility to the attempt. Okay. Maybe for the subsequent computer training also. Earlier there was no pressure from the institute, but recently this pressure is being increased. Okay. So this may become hard in the future. You have to, it is better to maintain the attendance to be on the safe side. Okay? Clear? When is your exam dates? When? June. From what date? From what date? 11th of June 2024. This is your exam timetable. Okay. Group 2, it starts on 12th of June, Wednesday. Earlier it was continuous exams or alternate exams? Continuous, right? This time it was alternative. Yeah? I mean, person who is giving both the groups, he has to go to the exam hall daily. But I am telling about the persons who are giving group 2. Yes? Alternative. This is more advantageous because you can prepare for one day at least. Yes? Before the exam. Clear? Paper 9. Friday you have exam on Sunday also. Okay. Sunday. Paper 12 is on Tuesday. So starting on Tuesday, ending on Tuesday. Okay. What's your name? I forgot. Abhilash. Okay. Yeah, any doubts till now regarding the academics part? Any doubt? Any doubts? So June 12th, June 11th, how many days you have or how many months you have for the exam? 3. From today, how many months do you have on average? Feb, March, April, May. 4 months. Okay, more than 4 months. Yes? More than 4 months. In hand you have 4 subjects. Yes? More than 4 months you have 4 subjects in hand. So you have minimum 1 month for each subject. Yeah? Yes. Now coming to the faculties. Okay. For O&M you will be having one faculty. I mean he will be coming in the next class. Okay, his name is Abhishek. Corporate accounting, I will be taking this part. Auditing will be taken by Harish. Okay. Financial management, 2 lecturers. We have 2 lecturers for this financial management. Okay. Shantanu sir and Naveen. SM part we will cover later. DA, I mean the data analytics part we will cover later at last, I mean after completing, because this is for 40 marks, this is for 20 marks, yes. First we will cover the majority of the portion, then management accounting, Das sir will take the class, okay. SS Das sir, I've shared the schedule right in the group. Any doubts till now? No?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, till when the classes of chapter will be over?
Sorry?
Syllabus of group 2?
I'm not getting you. Can you be a bit louder?
Sir, till which month the syllabus of group 2 will be over?
Acha,
Chapter?
you are asking me the date by when this group 2 syllabus will be over.
update sir matlab means month
Month, okay.
is
You can expect this March end, you can expect by March end this group 2 syllabus will be over. Okay?
okay sir, thank you.
Any other doubts? Ashwin, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
Sir, I am thinking that I will not give the group 2 exam in this June, but in December.
Okay.
Then, sir, will we get another batch for my group 2?
Okay, you are thinking to give group 2 in December.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that I have to check once. I'll check and I'll update, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Bhargav, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in
No,
the
sir.
in
Everything
the
is fine.
syllabus or in the exam pattern?
No, sir. I'm clear.
Yeah. Okay, let me take then the accounting part. Let me go to the paper 10.
Excuse me sir, one more doubt sir.
Sorry?
Sir, one more question sir. Sir, regarding skill training, there is still no update. Means I have also mailed the institute, but there is no update.
Sorry,
Training of the-
you are not clearly audible. Can you repeat?
Sir, regarding skill training, there is no update, sir, till now. I have also mailed the institute, but no update.
Okay, regarding the skills training.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll check with Shashi and I'll ask him to reply to your mail. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Paper 10, corporate accounting and auditing. Okay. Corporate accounting. Corporate accounting is for how many marks?
50, sir.
How many?
Sir, 50.
50. 50 marks. Okay. Yes, Ruchita, you are correct. 50 marks. Okay. But in December 2023, they have given for more than 50 marks. Okay. So this is just for the guidance. I mean, this weightage is for just for the guidance. It may not be exactly 50% in your paper. Okay. Be prepared in your mind that you might be getting for more than 50 or less than 50. Okay. In December 2023 paper, the section B, in section B, how many questions do you have in section B? 7. Correct. 7 questions. Okay. Out of 7, 5 questions are from audit. Corporate accounting. Okay. 2 questions are from audit. 5 and 2 or 4 or 3, I guess. 4 and 3. I guess 4 questions is from corporate accounting. 3 questions are from audit. So you can take 2 questions choice from the audit. Yes? Yes or no? Because you have to attempt how many questions? 5. Yes? 5 questions out of 7. So 4 you can attempt from accounting. You can attempt 1 question from auditing. You can leave the rest of the 2 questions in auditing. Yes? This is also possible. Or you can attempt 3 questions from audit. How many more questions do you need to attempt from accounting? 2. 2. Okay, this is also possible. So it depends whether accounting is your favorite subject or audit is your favorite subject. Okay, clear? Now coming to corporate accounting. What is corporate? Any idea, any thought, any guess from anyone?
The company, sir.
Company, yes, very good, Ashwin, you are correct. Company. Corporate is nothing but company. Now, what is a company? What is a company?
Sir, a registered artificial person.
It is an artificial person, very good. What is the liability? Group of firms. Sanjana has replied that it is a group of firms. Not exactly group of firms, I would say. Firm, what do you mean by firm, Sanjana? Firm, you mean partnership firm? Group of people, limited liability. Okay, group of people, not group of people, limited liability, yes, this is correct. It will be having limited liability, artificial person. Basically, there are several forms of organization, okay, through which you can conduct business. Yes, we have seen this in the group 1. Yes, in accounting chapter. What are the different forms of organization? Sole proprietor, very good. Partnership, very good. Sorry? Cooperative society. Joint venture, yes. Cooperative society, yes. One person company, yes, form of company. We have seen not for profit organization also, yes. Yes. Sole proprietor, partnership, I will say sole proprietor where you have only one owner. Yes, partnership you can have minimum 2 owners. Yes, minimum 2, more than 2, yes. Company, okay, company. Any examples of companies? Yeah, government company. An example, company name. Yeah, Oil India Limited, yes. This is a public limited company. Reliance, yes, Reliance is also correct. Reliance Industries, yeah. Private companies, yes. Private also, we have private, public, one person companies. Okay. Company is a intangible form. Company is in intangible form. Okay. So you cannot say who is the owner, because who are the owners? Not board of directors, shareholders. Who are they? Shareholders. Okay. In the beginning, promoters will start the company. So who are promoters? No, not board of directors. Promoters are basically persons who contribute initially to the company. Who are they? They contribute initially to the company. Contribute initially. Say for example, they go to the ROC in the sense Register of Companies. Okay, they start the company. They file some papers. They apply for name of the company. Sir, Oil India Limited. I want to keep this name. Can you permit this name? the register will check in the register already. If the name is taken, he will say this name is already taken, you cannot take this name. Yes, in Gmail also you might have seen. Yes or no? While creating a new account, you cannot create an account with the name which is already existing. Yes or no? What it will throw an error. Yes or no? Correct? It will throw an error. This name is already taken. Similarly, promoters will file for the company name. Okay. The register will give three to four names. You can select any one of your choice. You will give the names. Register will say, yeah, these four names are okay. You can choose any of them. And then they will start the company. Okay. Okay. And then they will issue shares. Okay. Shares. Share capital, which is called share capital. Shareholders are the actual owners of the company. Okay. Shareholders are outsiders who are just investing. They cannot run the business. Yes or no? Yes. So they appoint someone on their behalf who are called, no, they appoint someone on their behalf who are called board of directors. Okay. Board of directors, which you are mentioning, board of directors, they will carry out the activities of the company. Okay. This is basically corporate. This is called corporate. Yes. Limited liability, artificial person, intangible. Okay. Owners and the company are different. Separate legal entity concept as per accounting. Yes. All these are available. All these are the features of a company. Clear till now? Corporate accounting. What do you mean by corporate accounting now? Company accounts. So basically what will be the company accounts? Any guess? Any thought? Any idea? Company balance sheet, very good. P&L, yes. Company P&L. Yes, cash flow statement, very good. Very good, Abhilash, very good, yeah. Again, any try from online students? Any try, Sanjana, any try, Ruchita? Accounting means only the financial statements, or do you have anything else in accounts? In accounting, do you have anything else? What is accounting basically? Accounting is an act of recording, yeah, summarizing, yes, recording, summarizing, not collecting the data to record. Okay. Presentation of financial statements. Yes. Sir, recording, what is recording? Where do you record initially? Journal. Yes. Sir, company accounts, in company accounts also you have to maintain journal. Yes or no? Sir, in any accounting process, the starting point is the journal. Okay. Whatever the companies you are mentioning, Reliance or Oil India Limited or anything, okay, basically you have to start from the journal. It will have several transactions every day. You have to record them, yes, in the journal. And then what is the next step?
Ledger posting.
Yes, ledger posting, very good, Ashwin. Ledger posting, then cash book, ledger or subsidiary books, you can say. Yes, ledger or subsidiary books, both are same. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next. After ledger, what is that? Ashwin, you are telling something?
Sir, trial balance.
Trial balance, yes. Abhilash, you are also correct. Trial balance, then what is trial balance? What is trial balance? Why trial balance is prepared? Basically, to check the arithmetical accuracy, yes. Trial balance is the list of ledger accounts, yes. Debit, credit, yes. You will have a list of ledger accounts. You will prepare a trial balance, and then trading account, very good. If the firm is a trading firm, I mean if the company is a trading company, trading account. If it is a manufacturing company, manufacturing account, and then trading account, and then P&L account, very good, and then balance sheet. Okay. In any form of organization, this is the whole accounting process. Similarly, in company accounts also, you will follow the same process. Accounting in journal, ledger, then collect the balances, put it in the trial balance, check the arithmetical accuracy, yes, and then prepare financial statements from the trial balance. Okay. If the balance is not matching, you do rectification, etc., etc., etc. Closing entries. What are closing entries? Anyone from online students? What are closing entries? Balance carried down is closing balance. I'm asking for closing entries. Any idea? Any guess? All the nominal accounts are closed and transferred to the P&L account, trading and P&L account, yes? These are the closing entries. Okay. What are opening entries? All the assets and liabilities are transferred to the balance sheet. In the next year, I mean in the next financial year or accounting year, you take the balances by, yes, by an opening entry. What is an opening entry? All assets, account debit to all liabilities to capital. Okay. I'm just refreshing, okay, the basics, huh? Yes or no? I'm just refreshing the basics. Okay, opening entries, closing entries. In financial statements, you have this cash flow statement also. Clear? So now in your corporate accounting, what is the syllabus? You don't have journal, you don't have ledger, you don't have trial balance. Okay? You don't have trial balance. You will be having P&L, okay, P&L, balance sheet, okay, P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. These you have to prepare for the companies, okay, these you have to prepare for the companies. Did anyone see the syllabus of corporate accounting? By any chance, have you gone through the syllabus? Do you have the book? No. Anyone has the book?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you open the book and tell me the syllabus?
Sir, don't have the book in hand right now.
You have total how many chapters? 5 chapters. How many chapters?
5.
5 chapters. Okay. Sir, each carries 10 marks. Okay. Each one carries 10 marks. So total it is for 50 marks, yes? This is basically paper 10. Okay. Paper 10, corporate accounting. Corporate accounting. Okay. 5 chapters, each 10 marks. What is the first chapter?
The accounting for shares and debentures.
Yes, very good. Who is this? Ruchita, yeah. Accounting for shares and debentures. Accounting for shares and debentures. This is the first chapter. Second chapter.
Preparation of the statement of profit and loss and balance sheet.
Preparation of basically P&L, I would say P&L and balance sheet in accordance with Schedule 3 of Companies Act. Okay, in accordance with Schedule 3. Sir, what is this Companies Act? You have seen in Group 1, yes, Companies Act. We have a separate act for this, Companies Act 2013. Companies Act 2013 has prescribed a separate format. Okay, P&L and balance sheet. In that format, you have to prepare the P&L and balance sheet. We have a separate chapter for this. Clear? You have to prepare in accordance with what format? Schedule 3. What format? Schedule 3. Very, very important. Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Clear? What is the third chapter?
Third, cash flow statement.
Yeah, cash flow statements. We have a separate chapter for cash flow statements. These three together are called financial statements. What is this three? Statement of P&L, balance sheet, cash flow statement. Clear? What is chapter number 4? Chapter number 4.
Accounts of banking, electricity and insurance company.
Accounting of banking. We have 3 parts here. One is banking companies. Second one, insurance companies. Third one is electricity companies, power generation companies basically, huh? Okay. Banking, electricity and insurance companies. Sir, what are these companies? Banking company. Can you tell any name? HDFC, yes. HDFC is also company. Yes, HDFC Limited. Yes. ICICI Bank Limited. Axis Bank Limited. Yes. Sir, after passing out CMA, you might be appointed in any bank. Yes. You may be asked for to draft the accounts. Yes. Yes or no? You might be posted in any insurance company also. You might be posted in any electricity company also. Yes. Sir, example of any insurance company? LIC. Very good. LIC is a very good example. LIC. Power generation, electricity?
NEPCO.
हाँ.
Sir, NEPCO.
हाँ. Ramco. Ramco is what you mentioned, right, Bhargav?
Sir, NEPCO, Northeastern.
Sorry?
Sir, it is in Bokuloni side,
NAPCO.
NEPCO.
Okay, NAPCO, huh? Okay. Electricity companies. So there are separate formats for this. Sir, why do we follow separate formats for these three companies? Because Companies Act 2013 is not applicable to this special companies. We call them as special companies. Sir, if Companies Act is not applicable, which act is applicable? Yes? So we have a separate Banking Regulation Act for banking companies. Okay. We have a separate Insurance Regulatory Act also. Yes. We have a separate Electricity Act. So basically, these three companies does not fall under the purview of this Companies Act. So we have a different formats for them. Okay. So you have to prepare the financial statements of these three special companies. We have a separate chapter, chapter number 4. Clear? What is the last chapter? Ruchita, what is the last chapter?
Sir, accounting standards.
Accounting standards. Accounting standards. In group 1, how many standards do we have? 6 accounting standards. Very good. 6 accounting standards. Those are accounting standards. But here what they are mentioning is Ind AS. 6 Ind AS. We have 6 Ind AS in syllabus. What is Ind AS? Indian Accounting Standards. Indian Accounting Standards. Okay. Clear? We have 6 Ind AS in our syllabus in chapter number 5. Okay. I am repeating once again. First chapter is accounting for shares and debentures. So what do we have in this chapter? Accounting of shares. Sir, what are the shares? What are different types of shares? Anyone? Equity? Yes. Ruchita, Ashwin, yes, correct. Abhilash also correct. Equity shares and preference shares. Very good. Equity shares and preference shares. Sir, I am company. Company is issuing the shares. What are the accounting entries? We will see in this chapter. Company is issuing preference shares. What are the accounting entries? We will see in this chapter. Company is issuing debentures. What are the accounting entries? We will see in this chapter. Yes? Clear? So company is going to redeem the shares. What is redemption? Any idea about redemption? Redemption is basically pay back the money. Yes? Redemption is basically paying back the money. Yes? Paying back. You are taking preference share capital. Capital in the sense loan, some sort of loan. Loan from the shareholders. You are taking loan. Based on that loan, you are performing the business. Yes? Yes? You need to pay back. Equity shares are not generally paid back. I'm talking about preference shares. Preference shares are paid back. Debentures are paid back. This is called redemption. Okay. So basically, accounting for issue, redemption, everything of shares, debentures, we will see in this chapter. Clear? In this chapter, you will find full of journal entries. What you will find? Journal entries. Okay. Journal entries. Second chapter, P&L and balance sheet. P&L and balance sheet you have to prepare as per AS, as per Ind AS. Okay. In schedule 3, we have 2 categories. Companies which are following accounting standards, companies which are following Ind AS. Sir, which companies will follow AS, which companies will follow Ind AS? Based on the limits, we have certain limits, turnover limits. Big companies generally, listed companies generally, they follow Ind AS. Okay. Preparation of financial statements, basically P&L and balance sheet as per AS, as per Ind AS. Clear? Cash flow statement. This is a simple chapter. Cash flow statement. How the cash flows of the company, I mean basically cash inflow, cash outflow of the company, we will see here. A statement that records both inflow and outflow here. Okay. Cash flow statement is basically prepared to know the liquidity position of the company. Liquidity in the sense? Yeah, liquidity in the sense its ability to pay something immediately. Okay. Okay. Cash flow statement. We have these three special companies: banking. What are they? Banking, insurance, and electricity. Yes. So accounting for these three separate companies, three special companies, we have a separate formats for each. We are going to account for these three companies. Okay. And at last we have 6 Ind AS. Okay. This is your whole syllabus. Any doubts till now? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Any doubts? Clear? I mean the index is clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. I request you to go through the syllabus once again. Okay, open the index, check the number of sums in every chapter. Okay, number of pages in every chapter. Just go through it. Okay, just go through it. In the next class, we will start this chapter number 1. Okay, accounting for shares and debentures. Out of these 5 chapters, this is a big chapter, accounting for shares and debentures. Okay, I request you to go through the whole index once, whole topics once. Clear? Yes? Okay, then I'll take the leave for today then. Okay, we'll meet again. Thank you. Thank you, Bhargav. Thank you, Ruchita. Thank you, Sanjana. Thank you, Ashwin. Thank you. Yeah.